The all-new Tungsten trim level is the pinnacle of bespoke comfort. Tungsten is the most technologically advanced Ram 1500 in history. This new premium truck pushes forward because the dare forward is in our DNA.
The 2025 Ram 1500 Tungsten emerges as the undisputed zenith of luxury within the full-size pickup truck segment, a meticulously engineered masterpiece designed to seamlessly blend the raw, robust capability expected of a truck with the unparalleled refinement, cutting-edge technology, and opulent comfort typically found only in the most exclusive luxury sedans and SUVs, unequivocally signaling Ram's ambitious intent to transcend conventional truck boundaries and redefine upscale utility, making it not merely an upgrade but a profound statement, beginning with its sophisticated sound profile, which marks a monumental powertrain shift for the Ram 1500 lineup as it bids a strategic farewell to the venerable Hemi V8, ushering in the era of the revolutionary 3.0L Hurricane twin-turbo inline-6 engine, with the Tungsten exclusively featuring the high-output HO version of this formidable power plant, an engineering marvel unleashing a colossal 540 horsepower and 521 pound-foot of torque, delivering a smooth yet relentless surge of power that provides effortless acceleration and prodigious towing capabilities, albeit with a distinct, more mechanically precise sound under full throttle compared to the V8's iconic, visceral rumble. Yet this inherent engine character is masterfully mitigated by Ram's meticulous attention to interior acoustics through the strategic deployment of both advanced active noise cancellation technology and extensive, multi-layered sound deadening materials, meticulously placed throughout the cabin, resulting in an almost unnervingly quiet and serene interior sanctuary that virtually eradicates external road noise, wind buffeting, and even the formidable Hurricane engine's mechanical symphony, thereby allowing occupants to indulge in uninterrupted conversations or fully immerse themselves in the defining auditory experience of the Tungsten. The phenomenal 23-speaker Klipsch reference Premier audio system, which not only boasts the highest number of available speakers in its class but stands as a meticulously engineered masterpiece of sound reproduction, including a powerful 12-inch subwoofer optimally positioned to deliver deep, resonant, and articulate bass, all driven by a robust 24-channel, 1,228-watt amplifier, a system consistently lauded by expert reviewers for its immaculately crisp sound quality, its remarkable ability to deliver deafeningly loud volume with absolute clarity even at its highest settings, and its uncanny capacity to rival professional home theater surround sound systems in terms of spatiality and fidelity, thereby transforming the cabin into a truly immersive, high-fidelity concert hall on wheels where every note, every nuance, and every beat is rendered with astonishing precision and emotional depth, creating a sensory indulgence that fundamentally defines the Tungsten's luxury proposition. Stepping inside the 2025 Ram 1500 Tungsten immediately immerses one in an environment that flawlessly fuses high-performance athleticism with uncompromised, sophisticated opulence, where every surface invites touch and every detail speaks of bespoke craftsmanship, meticulously benefiting from a significant interior redesign for the 2024 model year and carrying over its cutting-edge design and unparalleled premium appointments into 2025, where the breathtaking centerpiece of the dashboard is the expansive BMW curved display-like setup, a seamlessly integrated visual marvel that combines a customizable 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a massive, class-leading 14.5-inch Connect 5-nav touchscreen infotainment system, all operating on the latest BMW operating system 8.5 to provide a lightning-quick, highly intuitive, and visually spectacular user experience with comprehensive functionalities including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a deeply customizable home screen, and integrated Amazon Alexa, ensuring that all digital interactions are both effortless and aesthetically pleasing. The Tungsten's interior commitment to unparalleled premium materials is immediately palpable through its premium quilted leather upholstery, often presented in exclusive and sophisticated dual-tone color combinations like the striking indigo, sea salt, complemented by a sumptuously soft suede headliner, genuine open-pore wood meticulously integrated into the dash and door panels, and sleek carbon fiber accents strategically applied throughout, alongside exquisitely designed bright metal speaker grilles from the Klipsch system that serve as miniature works of art, all contributing to an overwhelmingly opulent and inviting ambience, subtly punctuated by exclusive, Tungsten, branded plaques on the seat backs and center console, Seating comfort reaches an unprecedented zenith, particularly for front occupants, as it boasts best-in-class available 24-way power-adjustable front seats for both driver and passenger, offering an exhaustive range of configurations to achieve perfect ergonomic support, which comes standard with multi-level heating, cooling ventilation for warm climates, memory functions to recall precise preferences, and an all-new, deeply effective massage functionality that transcends typical in-car vibrations, providing genuine therapeutic relief on long journeys, as consistently praised by expert reviewers as, by far the most effective in-car rub-down they've experienced. While the rear seats also offer heating and ventilation, and in the crew cab configuration, provide exceptionally generous legroom and comfort, ensuring supreme contentment for all occupants on extended excursions. Further elevating the technological prowess and daily convenience are over 50 inches of combined available digital display area, notably including a class-exclusive 10.25-inch front passenger interactive display seamlessly integrated into the dashboard, which acts as a revolutionary co-piloting hub, allowing the front passenger to independently manage navigation, control entertainment, including streaming movies without distracting the driver's view, and view various vehicle cameras, offering unparalleled engagement and entertainment for all passengers, alongside a large 10-inch head-up display HUD that projects crucial driving information directly onto the windshield, and a digital rear-view mirror capable of switching between a traditional mirror and a camera view for an unobstructed rear perspective, especially invaluable when towing. Additional creature comforts abound, reinforcing the Tungsten's luxury credentials, such as class-exclusive dual wireless charging pads positioned to effortlessly accommodate both front occupants' smartphones, uniquely tactile and refined jeweled rotary shifter, an expansive dual-pane panoramic sunroof that floods the cabin with natural light and dramatically enhances the sense of spaciousness, and a powered tailgate for effortless access to the bed. For proactive safety, the Tungsten comes comprehensively loaded with advanced driver assistance systems, including active lane management, adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go, evasive steering assist, full-speed forward collision warning plus, intersection collision assist system, drowsy driver detection, and an available hands-free active driving assist system that provides advanced semi-autonomous driving capabilities for enhanced convenience and safety on lengthy highway stretches. The exterior of the 2025 Ram 1500 Tungsten is a masterclass in muscular elegance, a bold visual statement that immediately communicates its top-tier status and sets it apart in any environment, having received subtle yet impactful styling tweaks across the entire Ram 1500 lineup for 2025. But with the Tungsten elevating these refinements to an apex of polished sophistication, beginning with its exclusive, eye-catching new grille design that features unique textures and intricate brightwork that distinctively sets it apart from other trims, complemented by slimmer, more modern LED headlights that contribute to a sophisticated and confident front end. A signature touch of undeniable luxury is provided by the customizable LED walk-up animations, which elegantly illuminate the prominent IM logo on the grille and project an exterior light carpet onto the ground near the doors as the driver approaches, creating a truly grand and welcoming entrance. Standard on this flagship trim are stunning 22-inch polished and painted aluminum wheels, which perfectly fill the wheel wells, greatly enhancing its elegant stature and providing an undeniably commanding road presence that grabs attention without resorting to overt aggression, as the Tungsten embraces a more refined aesthetic with precisely placed bright chrome accents around the exterior that accent its stately charm, creating a subtly attractive and more classically luxurious appearance, compared to the more rugged or blacked-out themes seen on some rivals. Offered exclusively in a crew cab configuration with a 5-foot, 7-inch box, the Tungsten ensures maximum passenger comfort while maintaining a perfectly balanced, athletic, and harmonious aesthetic. Yet despite its supremely luxurious appointments, the Tungsten never compromises its inherent truck DNA, integrating highly functional features like the innovative multifunction tailgate, offering both traditional drop-down and versatile swing-away doors, and the renowned Ram Box cargo management system, which provides integrated, illuminated, and lockable bedside storage compartments complete with a convenient 120-volt outlet for unmatched practicality. Furthermore, the available active level 4-corner air suspension system not only provides a superior, buttery smooth ride quality that glides over imperfections but also offers adjustable ride height, improving aerodynamic efficiency at highway speeds and increasing ground clearance for light off-roading or navigating challenging terrain, culminating in an overall stance that is wide, confident, and unmistakably premium, serving as a true flagship for the Ram brand that defies categorization. In conclusion, the 2025 Ram 1500 Tungsten stands as a bold, pioneering declaration from Ram, seamlessly fusing the raw, unyielding capability of a full-size pickup with an unparalleled standard of luxury, cutting-edge technology, and meticulously refined design, making it unequivocally engineered not just for arduous work but for an elevated lifestyle, catering to those who demand uncompromising comfort, state-of-the-art features, and a truly superior driving experience, all without sacrificing the inherent utility and rugged appeal quintessential to a truck, thereby transforming the very definition of a premium pickup for a discerning clientele ready to experience the ultimate reimagination of what a truck can be. To truly grasp the pinnacle of this achievement and understand why the Tungsten is setting new benchmarks, one must experience the unparalleled refinement and power of the 2025 Ram 1500 Tungsten for yourself. Visit your nearest authorized Ram dealership, immerse yourself in the comprehensive details available on Ram's official website, and schedule your exclusive, personalized test drive today to truly elevate your drive and redefine your expectations as the ultimate pickup truck, reimagined, awaits your command.